In last lecture, we just introduced what is electrical drive and the various parts of the electrical drives, and we also see what are the advantages and disadvantages of electrical drives. Okay, and we just started. Okay, parts of electrical drives. Okay, where we have seen what is the various types of electrical motors used in electrical drives. Okay, and what is power modulator. Okay, we have just gone through that. Okay, these are the types of the power modulators. Okay, we will see it again. Okay, now we will start. First I will ask a question to Sonal Mari. Are you there, Sonal Mari? Sonal Mari.
Yes, sir.
Okay, power modulator. What is meant by power modulator? पॉवर मॉड्युलेटर म्हणजे काय असतंय? यस नो काय तर बोला. हॅलो सोनल. सोनल कुठे गायब झाली?
पॉवर मॉड्युलेटर म्हणजे ते म्हणजे पॉवर फ्लो होत असते सोर्स पासून, म्हणजे ते मॉड्युलेट करत असते.
ओके, मॉड्युलेट म्हणजे काय? व्हॉट इज मीन बाय मॉड्युलेट? Modulate means what? Modulates mean conversion. Okay, from one form to other form, from one level to other level. Okay, power modulator converts AC into DC or DC into AC, one voltage level to other voltage level. Okay, maybe step up, step down. Okay, fixed to constant fixed or constant voltage to variable voltage. Okay, these are nothing but working of the power modulator. Okay, various types of power modulator we have seen that. Okay, first is the, I will select a pointer first. First is the diode rectifier. Okay, diode rectifier. Okay, we have given constant AC voltage as an input. Okay, maybe single phase or three phase, and it will generate a constant DC voltage. Okay, diode rectifier is a uncontrolled switch. Okay, we cannot control its on or off. Okay, it will automatically on or off. Okay, because of the input voltage. Okay, the first cycle is positive cycle, half cycle, and first half cycle is the positive. When next half cycle, okay, starts, okay, negative half cycle will start, the diode will goes under reverse bias. It will be reverse biased and it will be turned off automatically. Okay, means what? It is a line commutation. Okay, because of the whatever will supply coming from the line, it will be automatically turn on or turn off. Okay, second is the fully controlled thyristor rectifier. Okay, if we want a variable voltage, variable DC voltage, okay, then we have to use a controlled switch. Okay, we have to use a controlled switch. Okay, thyristor is one of the controlled switch. Okay, whenever a gate pulse is applied to the gate terminal of the thyristor, it will be triggered on. Okay, what are the conditions to turning on the thyristor? First, it must be a forward bias. Okay, it must be a forward bias. And second, a pulse must be provided to the gate terminal of the thyristor. Okay, if these two conditions are satisfied, then thyristor will be turned on. Okay, but for thyristor turn off, okay, you have to use a commutation circuitry, or it will be turned off when it is a reverse biased. Okay, you have studied various commutation types. Okay, can you name some of them? I will ask to just 1 minute. Aishwarya Sarunke, are you there? Aishwarya Sarunke. ऐश्वर्या or Trishala Kamble, are you there? Okay, Aishwarya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the various types of commutation? Okay, what is meant by commutation? First is what is meant by commutation? Commutation म्हणजे काय? आकांक्षा येतोय नाही येत काय तर बोला. प्रणव वाटवे आहेस का तिथे? प्रणव वाटवे, आर यू देअर? प्रणव, हॅलो प्रणव. प्रतीक्षा कारंडे, आर यू देअर? प्रतीक्षा कारंडे. ओके, रितेश कांबळे. रितेश कांबळे, अनम्यूट युअर सेल्फ. रितेश, अरे काय कोण आहे का नाही? का प्रश्न विचारल्यावर गायब होत आहे? त्रिशला, त्रिशला आहेस का? का प्रश्न विचारायचा का नाही? येत नसेल तर नाही म्हणून सांगायचं. काय असं कंपल्शन नाहीये की उत्तर आलंच पाहिजे असं. विशाखा आर्गे, आर देअर? वैष्णवी पाटील, कोण आहे का नाही? माझा आवाज तर ऐकू येते का नाही?
हॅलो,
हा कोण बोलतोय?
सर वैष्णवी.
हा हा वैष्णवी, कम्युटेशन म्हणजे काय ग?
सर मला क्वेश्चन, तुमचा आवाज ऐकू
येत नाहीये? आता येतोय का?
आला आता.
हा बोल. कम्युटेशन म्हणजे काय? व्हॉट इज मीन बाय कम्युटेशन?
सर आयडिया नाही.
कम्युटेशन या शब्दाचा अर्थ काय? कुठल्या डिक्शनरीत कुठे पाहिल्यास किंवा वर्गात कधी झालंय असं काय आहे का?
मॅथ्स मध्ये
झाले. पॉवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स झालं नाही.
परम्युटेशन.
कम्युटेशन, परम्युटेशन नाही, कम्युटेशन. डीसी मोटर मध्ये कम्युटेटर असते माहितीये काय? कम्युटेटर. हा कम्युटेटर काय करते? कम्युटेटर काय करते?
सर लक्षात नाही.
लक्षात नाहीये. डीसी मोटरचं वर्किंग प्रिन्सिपल पाहिले?
हॅलो,
हा कोण बोलतोय? रितेश.
एसीचं डीसी करते.
हा बरोबर, एसीचं डीसी करते कम्युटेटर. बरोबर, ठीक आहे. म्हणजे काय करते? कम्युटेट करते. म्हणजे काय? कम्युटेशन मीन्स व्हॉट? टर्निंग ऑन ऑर ऑफ. एसी मध्ये कसं असतं? कुठला ब्रश कनेक्ट करायचा, कुठला ब्रश डिस्कनेक्ट करायचा हे कम्युटेटर करते. ऑटोमॅटिकली होते, ते रोटेट होते तसं. मात्र आपल्या पॉवर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स म्हणजे काय? When a switch commutates means what? When switch turn off. Commutation means what? Turn off. Okay. आता टर्न ऑफ करण्याच्या मेथड्स कोणकोणत्या आहेत? थायरिस्टर टर्न ऑफ मेथड्स कोणकोणत्या आहेत? टर्न ऑफ किंवा कम्युटेशन. अंजली गायकवाड. अरे म्हणजे मला किती डीप मध्ये गेलं पाहिजे हे मला ठरवलं पाहिजे ना. कारण ह्या गोष्टी जर माहीत नसतील तर मग पुढे जाता येणार नाही आपल्याला. असं आहे. उगाच मग मी हवेत बोलत जातो. मला सगळं पाठ आहे, सब्जेक्ट मला पाठ आहे. मी एमटेक यातच केलंय, मी पीएचडी यातच करायला लागलोय. ओके, आता मी 3 वर्ष झाला हा सब्जेक्ट शिकवतोय. मग तोंड पाठ आहे सब्जेक्ट हा. मग जा काय पाठ पटपट संपून टाकू का सब्जेक्ट? हा, आठवड्याला एक सब्जेक्ट चॅप्टर संपतोय बघा. मग संपूया का तसं? असेल तर उत्तर द्या. अंजली, अंजली. हा बोल. कम्युटेशन टाइप्स कोणते आहेत माहिती आहे? कम्युटेशन थायरिस्टर टर्न ऑफ मेथड्स. काय आठवत नाही?
नो सर.
बरं ठीक आहे, मीच सांगतो ऐका. माझा आवाज सगळ्यांना व्यवस्थित येतोय ना? का क्वेश्चन विचारण्यात फक्त येत नाही? ओके, टर्न ऑफ मेथड्स भरपूर आहेत, 5 आहेत, ABCDE अशा 5 आहेत. मात्र आपण ते जे आहे ते पुन्हा कॅटेगराइज करू शकतो 3 पद्धतीने. फर्स्ट इज द लाईन कम्युटेशन. ओके. सेकंड इज द forced commutation, and third is the load commutation. Okay, now the line commutation means what? When ह्या ठिकाणी दिले बघा waveform, when waveform becomes negative, when negative half cycle starts, okay, the switch will be reverse bias and it will be turned off. Okay, मी ते म्हणायचं line commutation. Second जे आहे ते forced commutation means what? Switch is a forward biased, but we want to turn off that switch. Okay, means what? We have to forcibly we have to turn off that switch. For this, okay, you have to use various circuitry. Okay, for forced commutation you require extra turn off circuit. Extra turn off circuit is required. Okay, मग त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, जोन्स चॉपर म्हणतो किंवा मॉर्गन चॉपर म्हणतोय. ओके, हे जे काय आहे मॉर्गन चॉपर झाला असेल पॉवर, हे जे आहे ते म्हणजे फोर्स कम्युटेशनचे टाइप्स आहेत, किंवा कम्युटेशन टाइप्स आहेत B, C, D. हे जे काय कम्युटेशन्स आहेत B, C, D, या ठिकाणी एक्स्ट्रा कम्युटेशन सर्किटरी लागतं. हे सगळे फोर्स कम्युटेशन आहे. लोड कम्युटेशन जे काय आहे मीन्स व्हॉट? बिकॉज ऑफ द ऍक्शन ऑफ द लोड, द switch will be reverse bias or switch will be turned off. Okay, means what? For example, suppose it is a thyristor rectifier. Okay, thyristor rectifier, and suppose here is the energy source. Okay, I will write just a voltage source is connected here. Okay, and other voltage source is okay, other voltage source, or because of the action of the load. Okay, some EMF is generated. Okay, if this EMF EB is greater than V, okay, when EB is greater than V, okay, means what? The dominant part will be the load circuit. Okay, and maybe due to the effect of this load circuitry, okay, this switch may going to be off. Okay, अशा पद्धतीने आपण इन डिटेल ते पाहूया. ओके, कॅपॅसिटिव्ह ऍक्शन वगैरे सिंक्रोनस मोटर मध्ये हे आपल्याला गोष्टी पाहायच्या आहेत. लोड कम्युटेशन म्हणजे काय, मात्र ह्या 3 आहेत, लक्षात ठेवायचे, विसरायचं नाही. लाईन कम्युटेशन, फोर्स्ड कम्युटेशन अँड लोड कम्युटेशन. ओके, या 3 गोष्टी आहेत. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द half controlled thyristor. Okay, maybe a fully controlled thyristor rectifier is used, or half controlled or semi converter thyristor rectifier is used. Okay, or I have explained a transformer with taps. Okay, various number of tappings are provided on transformer windings itself. Okay, so number of tappings is there, number of voltage levels we can get. Okay, AC voltage levels we can get at this stage. Okay, and diode rectifier is not going to change the voltage level. Okay, but if the input voltage level is itself changing, then the output of the diode rectifier will change. Okay, this is what the output variable voltage we get because of the action of the transformer with tapping. Next is the diode rectifier and the chopper. Okay, for example, if a variable DC voltage can be obtained with this combination. Okay, means what? A constant voltage, AC voltage is given to the diode rectifier. Okay, its output will be equal to, if it is a three-phase rectifier, then 3 Vm by pi output voltage will be there. Okay, again it is a constant. And chopper, it may be a buck chopper or boost chopper. Okay, it does what? It is a DC to DC converter. Okay, it is a DC to DC converter. It will change a constant DC voltage into variable DC voltage. Okay, means what? A diode rectifier with a chopper, it can give you a variable voltage DC. Why we require every time a variable voltage? Because in drive we want to change the speed of the motor. Okay, for example, if we want to change the speed of the DC motor, we have to go for armature voltage control, where voltage across armature is going to be changed. Okay, and that purpose is provided by these combinations. Okay, next is the rectifier with self-commutated devices. Okay, just I have given the example. Okay, maybe there is a force commutation is employed here. Okay, force commutation is employed here, and we can get means what is the, you have to use a control rectifier. You have to use a control rectifier. Okay, and maybe a switch, maybe a thyristor, or maybe IGBT. Okay, or maybe MOSFET can be employed here. Okay, these switches are self-commutated switches. Okay, sorry, self-commutated means we can't use thyristor, but we can go for MOSFET or IGBT or BJT. Okay, not a thyristor. Okay, these switches are automatically turned on, turn off, okay, by themselves. Okay, when pulse is given to the gate terminal of the IGBT or MOSFET, it will be turned on. Okay, when pulse is removed, they will be turned off. Okay, by using this type of switches, we can get a variable DC voltage. Okay, next is the AC motor, which is coupled to the DC generator. Okay, it also give you a variable voltage, variable DC voltage, and here whatever be the voltage is developed is given to a armature of DC motor. Armature of a DC motor. Okay, how it works? Okay, here you can see that a fixed voltage AC is given to the AC motor. Means what? If the voltage given to the AC motor is a constant, then this AC motor will run at a constant speed. Okay, most of the time it will run near to the synchronous speed or rated speed. Okay, and it is mechanically coupled to the DC generator. Okay, means what, the speed of these two motors will be the same. Okay, omega m1 and omega m2. Okay, these two speeds will be the same. Okay, you know the voltage developed by the DC generator, the equation is equal to EB is equal to K phi omega. Okay, this omega means speed is constant. Okay, so if you want this output voltage at these two terminals, okay, to change, you have to change this flux. Okay, flux coming from what? A field winding. It is coming from what? Field winding. Okay, means what? A variable voltage, DC voltage, so has to be connected across the field winding. Okay, so you can get a variable generated voltage. Okay, you can use a word EG here. Okay, generated EMF. Okay, so this variable voltage is given to the DC motor, armature of DC motor, and its speed will vary. Next is same thing. Okay, but just they have changed some combination. Okay, AC motor is there. It is provided with fixed voltage AC, and it is here coupled with alternator. Okay, AC generator. Okay, and this alternator's output is given to the diode rectifier, and obviously here the whatever will the AC power generated by the alternator will vary. Okay, as we vary the exciter's voltage, as we vary exciter voltage, the output of this alternator will change. Okay, and the diode rectifier just converts this AC into DC. Okay, and this variable voltage DC is obtained due to this action. Okay, other two types, okay, they are not so much common. 1 minute. Okay, where a fixed voltage given to a magnetic amplifier, okay, and its output is again connected to the diode rectifier, and this combination gives a variable DC voltage. Okay, magnetic amplifier, how it works? Okay, when it is in unsaturated region, okay, the voltage is the maximum. Okay, whatever will the input voltage will appear across diode rectifier. Okay, maximum voltage, whatever be the input voltage. And when it goes in unsaturated region, as it goes to saturated region, the voltage which is given to the diode rectifier will decrease. Okay, means what? A magnetic amplifier will give input voltage to diode rectifier, okay, from Vmax to whatever be the minimum value possible. Okay, so you can get a variable DC voltage due to the action of the magnetic amplifier. Okay, amplidyne again is again the type one of this type. Okay, amplidyne is one of this type. Okay, maybe AC motor is coupled with a DC generator, or AC motor is coupled with alternator. Okay, amplidyne is the same thing. Okay, these following four methods, okay, these G, H, J and J, these are not included in syllabus. These things are not included in the syllabus. We are not going to study them, but first six, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, they are part of the syllabus and we will focus on them. Okay, okay, do you have any doubt? Amruta Kirdak, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
If anyone have any doubt, okay, you can ask me anytime. Now we will move to next slide. Okay, the next part of the electric drive, okay, is the source itself. Source itself, okay, a source may be a AC or DC, it may be a single phase or three phase. Okay, in India or in UK or European nations, the frequency of supply is the 50 hertz, but in America it is a 60 hertz. Okay, synchronous motors which are fed 50 hertz supply have maximum speed up to 3000 rpm. If you want higher speeds, okay, we have to go for advanced versions of synchronous motors, okay, like a PMSM motor, PMAC motor, BLDC motor, hysteresis motor, synchronous reluctance motor. Okay, number of types are there. Okay, what are the main types of synchronous motor? Okay, you have studied in AC machine. I will ask to Aruna Korpe. Are you there, Aruna? 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 आहेस का? भाग्यश्री? भाग्यश्री? चैताली कोष्टी? Unmute yourself. हा, भाग्यश्री आली. ओके, भाग्यश्री, सिंक्रोनस मोटर जास्त त्याचे टाइप्स कोणते तुला माहिती आहेत का? मी तुम्हाला एसी मशीन मध्ये झालेले आहेत ते. हॅलो भाग्यश्री, आहेस का?
हो सर.
हा, काय आठवते का टाइप्स? सिंक्रोनस मोटरच्या रोटरचे टाइप्स जे आहेत तेच त्याचे टाइप्स आहेत म्हणू शकतो आपण. रोटरचे टाइप सांगता येईल सिंक्रोनस मोटरचे? आठवत नाही? चैताली, अर्लियर? चैताली? बालाजी, बालाजी आहेस का? बालाजी?
सर,
हा, बोला.
हॅलो,
कोण
नॉन
बोलतोय?
एक्साइटेड सिंक्रोनस मोटर.
काय काय?
भाग्यश्री बोलते सर.
हा, बोला बोला. काय?
नॉन एक्साइटेड सिंक्रोनस मशीन
आणि नॉन एक्साइटेड आणि कुठली? आणि कुठली? एक्साइटेड?
डीसी एक्साइटेड.
अरे डीसी एक्साइटर असतेच रे सिंक्रोनस मोटरला, ती कुठली पण टाईपची असू दे.
करंट एक्साइटेड सिंक्रोनस मोटर.
जरा तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी पुन्हा एकदा जरा जीबी गुप्ता किंवा BL3 ज्या बुक आहे ते ओपन करा आणि वाचा. तुम्हाला जर पुढं चांगल्या ठिकाणी जॉब हवा असेल, काही जणांचं स्वप्न आहे MSCB मध्ये जायचं आहे, काही जणांना गेट क्रॅक करायचे आहे, काही जणांना PSU मध्ये जायचं आहे. तुम्ही असं सगळ्यांनी फक्त स्टेटस चेंज करून किंवा मोठमोठे स्टेटस ठेवले म्हणून होणार नाहीये. तुम्हाला ह्यामध्ये इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये खरंच इंटरेस्ट असला पाहिजे. इंटरेस्ट असला पाहिजे. लहानातली लहान गोष्ट ही अशीच का असते आणि तशीच का असते असं स्वतः तुम्हाला प्रश्न पडला पाहिजे, तरच हे सगळ्या पुढच्या गोष्टी आहेत तुमच्या आयुष्यातल्या सहज शक्य होतील. असं नुसतं स्वप्न बघून काय होत नसतंय. सिंक्रोनस मोटरचे टाइप्स आहेत सॅलिएंट पोल सिंक्रोनस मोटर अँड नॉन सॅलिएंट पोल सिंक्रोनस मोटर. ओके, नॉन सॅलिएंटला दुसरं नाव आहे सिलेंड्रिकल रोटर सिंक्रोनस मोटर. ह्या दोन तुम्ही शिकलेले आहे. एक्साइटेड, नॉट एक्साइटेड असलं काय नव्हतं. ओके, तुम्ही फक्त वाचला असेल. एक्साइटेड सिंक्रोनस मोटर वर्क ॲज अ सिंक्रोनस कंडेन्सर मीन्स अ capacitor. Okay, it provides the leading. Okay, when it provides leading power factor, when it fetch lagging, when it works on lagging power factor, when it works on zero power factor, you have to study detailedly by reading books like JB Gupta, VK Mehta or BL Thareja. कुठलं सोपं वाटते किंवा कत्री वाटत असेल सोपं तर कत्री वाचा, कारण पुस्तक वाचा. असं तुम्हाला कुठलं कळणार नाही. रोज कुठला तरी सरांनी कुठला तरी एक वर्ड घेतला होता आणि तो वर्ड सांगायचं नाही. एक्झॅक्ट सगळ्या गोष्टी माहित असल्या पाहिजेत. इंटरव्ह्यूला गेल्यानंतर सर मला हे आठवलं नाही, मला माहित नाही, सॉरी असं म्हणून चालेल का? ओके, ओके, पुढे बघूया आपण. आवाज येतील माझा? आवाज व्यवस्थित ऐकू येतोय ना थोरात?
हा सर येतोय.
येतोय ना? हा, तेव्हा सगळ्या गोष्टी करा, एन्जॉय सुद्धा करा, मात्र अभ्यास सुद्धा करा. तुमचं आयुष्य थोडं चांगलं व्हायचं असेल तर या गोष्टी केल्याच पाहिजे. जितकं कमी कष्ट घ्या तितकं कष्टदायक तुमचं पुढं आयुष्य असणार आहे, लक्षात ठेवायचं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज motors of low and medium powers are fed from 400 volt or 440 volt supply, and higher ratings like 3.3 kV, 6.6 kV, 11 kV, etc. are also available. Okay, so what I have earlier mentioned that a motor of the size of my finger, also motor of the size of my cabin. Okay, both types of motors are available in market. Next is the control unit. Okay, choice of control unit depends upon type of motor, type of power modulator used. Okay, means what? Number of stages. Okay, for example, if you consider any particular type of power modulator, it consists of a particular type of switch. Okay, for example, if you use a thyristor, okay, for triggering on the thyristor you have to provide a firing pulse. Okay, firing pulse of high magnitude is required for turning off a thyristor. Okay, so you have to use that type of a triggering circuit. Okay, but in case of IGBT or MOSFET based power modulator, okay, you just have to give a 5 volt DC supply to the gate terminal of that particular switch. When a 5 volt supply is provided the gate terminal, it will be turned on. When it is removed, it will be turned on. Okay, means what type of switch, what type of power modulator, what type of protection circuitry, okay, is required. Okay, the control unit will vary accordingly. There are the many types, like when semiconductor converters are used, then the control unit consists of firing circuits which employ linear devices and microprocessor. Okay, for example, I will give an example. Okay, suppose you use CT or PT. Okay, these are the voltage sensor and the current sensor. Okay, so what outputs of them are given to the current sensor or voltage sensor. Okay, and the output of these sensors are given, not directly given to the control unit. Okay, they have to given to first to the A to D converter, analog to digital converter. Okay, and the output of this analog to digital controller, which is compatible with a particular type of a control unit, for example microcontroller. Okay, is given to the microcontroller now, and the output of a microcontroller may be a gate pulse. Okay, maybe a gate pulse. Okay, but its magnitude or its power content is very low. Okay, its magnitude is very low. Okay, we have to amplify it. we have to amplify them. Okay, means what, you require an amplifier circuit. Okay, maybe Hall effect, since Hall effect amplifier is there. Okay, amplifier circuit, and the output of a amplifier circuit is given to the base drive circuit, given to the base drive circuit, and the base drive circuit's output is given to the gate terminal. Okay, gate terminal of MOSFET or IGBT. Okay, these much steps are there. Okay, type of switch is more important to develop a particular control unit. Okay, next are the choice of electrical drive. Okay, what type of electrical drive we have to consider. Okay, it depends on a particular requirement. I will select a laser pointer now. Okay, a choice of an electrical drive depends on number of factors. Some of the important factors are steady state operating conditions requirement. Okay, steady state means what, nature of speed torque characteristic, speed regulation, speed range, efficiency, duty cycle, quadrants of operation, speed fluctuations, if any, ratings. Okay, these are these steady state operating conditions. Okay, means what, as a motor changes, the speed torque characteristic change, as load changes, the speed torque characteristics change. Okay, for example, for a particular load, the torque is proportional to the speed. For other load, the torque is proportional to square of the speed. Okay, load changes, the speed torque characteristics are changed. Okay, we have to consider those factors. Okay, what is the speed regulation you want? Okay, means what, more accuracy is required, okay, or not. Okay, what is the speed range required? Okay, for example, from 0 to 1500 or 0 to 3000. Okay, that must be considered. Okay, whether it is any efficiency factor is there. Okay, what is the duty cycle you require? Okay, means it is going to be run on continuously, or it is an intermittent operation. You have to consider that thing. Quadrant of